morphine at my door. Whoa, 'cause it will take a whole lot of medication to realize where we used to have it. Don't have it anymore. There's no religion that could save me. No matter how long my knees are on the floor. Oh, so keep in mind all the sacrifices I'm making. Will keep you by my side.